What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today, another very exciting Samsung video. It is Monday, August 7th, and this morning we had quite a scare from Samsung, well actually quite a tease from Samsung. Samsung Germany posted up that One UI 6.0 beta was officially live and then pulled the post a few minutes after, but we got a peek at the quick settings panel and a lot more information from that blog post, which is still cached on Google. I'm gonna go through the screenshots, show you guys what we've already seen now is confirmed by Samsung, and also tell you that you need to make sure you're refreshing your Samsung Members app if you want to be part of the beta, because it could literally go anytime today or tomorrow morning. It is coming quickly. Before we get started, I want to thank my son Jonathan for giving us a dyno to hang out. As always, we got the Dimitrodon here. Over here is hanging out with us today. And also, if you guys are going to be ordering anything from the Unpacked event, the Fold, the Flip, the Watch 6, the Tab, check out my website, grab a mystery box. I give out free cases, phone stands, cleaning kits. Amazon gift cards are bundled in there as well, randomly every 1 in 10 boxes. A lot of cool stuff that I do for the community. Shipping is free in the US. All you have to do is use my affiliate link. All the details will be in the description. So here is the Samsung newsroom post this morning. Now this is originally in German, so this is the original. I've got Google Translate up here. And this is the cached page. So you can see up here that this is indeed the cached page here as of earlier today because they pulled it. So this morning they posted this. This is what it says in English. Samsung launches the One UI 6.0 beta program for Galaxy S23 users. One UI 6.0 is based on Android 14, which we know. They're going to have a more customized experience. Here's some of the improvements, adjustments to various apps and features. For example, there are new customization options. The beta is available in 3 markets to start: Korea, USA, and Germany. Now, of course, we know that's usually where the 3 markets where it launches typically, so that's not a surprise. And also it's Samsung Germany that posted it. Here's a simple interface look with the new quick panel and notifications. I'm gonna show you guys a high-res version from Vtrox360 over on Twitter. He made up a high-res mock-up of this exact image, so we'll look at that in a second. It says One UI has a decidedly simply look. Many elements have been adjusted. Revamped quick panel allows users to access what they need the most, and a single swipe from the right corner of the display is enough to display the entire quick panel. So that's a cool new feature. This allows users to access their device settings more quickly. One UI 6 offers its users a variety of options to further customize their device. Among other things, owners of the S23 now have the opportunity to set background images for appropriate situations. For example, a photo of a quiet forest while the smartphone is in sleep mode. And a new camera widget also makes it possible for specific storage options, locations for certain photos in advance. So basically, we've got a new time adjustable, situation adjustable wallpapers, and we also have a new camera widget where you can choose where you want to store photos in advance. It says try the beta. It's going to make its way onto many other smartphones. It has new security standards, of course, as well as all updates come with. You'll be able to do it within the Samsung Members app. And here, I think, is where you sign up in Germany and Europe. In US, it'll be in the Samsung Members app, as I mentioned before. So if you don't have it, make sure you go and download Samsung Members, which is right here. When you see the beta arrive, it's going to arrive up here at the top in one of these banners. And of course, I'll make another video when it actually is live, talking about how to install it and stuff like that. But it's going to be up here in the banners. Now let's get a closer look at that quick panel. Over on Twitter, let me first give credit where credit's due. Vtrox360 does a lot of great Samsung leaks. I talk about a lot on the channel. I'll drop his Twitter profile below. Definitely should follow him. He's a great follower, great follow for Samsung news, leaks, things like that, especially software. He took the image that was on the Samsung Germany blog and just blew it up, made it higher resolution so we get a nice look at it. And here's what it looks like. So you can see here, Wednesday, December 30th. I don't think that really means anything. I mean, I don't think that means that the official beta the official One UI 6.0 will release in December, but that's the date. You can see that they've changed this a lot. Now, this is going to be super polarizing because this looks a lot more like iOS or ColorOS, which is one that is on smartphones, ColorOS, and those other similar looking OSs that we have from Chinese smartphones. It looks very similar, but there are some nice things I like about this. It really kind of makes everything nice and condensed. Everything that you need is right here in the center. The brightness and the dark mode and eye comfort shield are kind of all integrated together. And the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggles are their separate thing because they're probably used the most. Smart View and device control at the bottom, which is kind of what Google has done with the Pixels as well, is isolate out things like device control and screen mirroring or casting. Now up here at the top, we still have the same buttons that we had before in One UI. So you're definitely still going to be able to edit all of your quick tiles. So it's not like our customization is gone. And then lastly, we see we've got the blurred background, which I think for sure is going to polarize people as well. Some people prefer the solid backgrounds that we have. For instance, Google goes with that on the Pixel devices and their version of Android. But of course, you can easily change that in GoodLock. Samsung gives you tons of options to change what they've done in stock One UI every year. So it's not like it's something you're stuck with. So I don't have a huge problem with that. So a lot of interesting stuff here from Vtrox. Obviously, I said give him a follow over there so you can check it out. You can also see there's really nothing new in this particular screenshot right here. This one on the left side, it's just showing the notifications. They don't look like they're any new. We'll have to dig in and kind of see how that looks when we get going. Again, this could definitely go live either later today or early tomorrow on August 8th. When it does, I'll be making tons of videos. It's a crazy busy week because we got the foldable phones arriving this week. I'll be making a lot of videos on those as well. So I might be having 2 videos a day for some days this week. So stay tuned to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe with the notification icon for future videos like that. Let me know what you guys think about this. And also make sure that if you guys are interested in ordering anything from Unpacked, make sure you go ahead and hit the link below and get that mystery box from me with a free case, cleaning kit, etc. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.